Welcome to BlkMoney.com. In the wake of the first Litecoin summit that just occurred this year, 2018, in San Francisco, let's discuss what is Litecoin, how it started, and where it is today. Litecoin is actually a Bitcoin fork that was released October 13th, 2011 by Charlie Lee. Charlie Lee, or our Litecoin savior, graduated from MIT and went on to work a decade at Google. During his time there, Charlie worked as a software engineer on projects such as YouTube and Chrome OS. He later moved on to work for the digital exchange Coinbase, developed Litecoin in his off time, and pushed for it to be listed on GDAX, currently known as Coinbase Pro. It's obvious to me that Charlie has a passion for Litecoin. He departed Coinbase and now serves on the board of directors for the Litecoin Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to the mass adoption of Litecoin. In most of the interviews I've seen with Charlie, he's always stated that Litecoin was intended to be the silver to Bitcoin's gold, a utility coin that could be used in day-to-day purchases and transfers. This peer-to-peer cryptocurrency was based off the original concept of Bitcoin, but engineered further to make the transactions faster and cheaper. Its founder had the decency not to name it Bitcoin anything and to choose a name based off the attributes of the new coin. Some may ask, what are the differences between Bitcoin and Litecoin? Litecoin is faster. With confirmations occurring every 2.5 minutes, this is 4 times faster than Bitcoin. Litecoin was also designed to have 4 times the Bitcoin supply, ultimately reaching its maximum level at 84 million Litecoins. The mining reward for Litecoin is currently 25 Litecoins, which is roughly cut in half every 4 years. Litecoin is one of the most stable coins. In the last parabolic bull run, Litecoin ran up to the mid 350s and is currently down like all crypto. The price is down to the mid 50s. Hopefully we'll see another run throughout the end of the year. If we go to bitinfocharts.com, we can look at the historical hash rate for Litecoin, and we can tell that since 2011, there's been a tremendous growth in the hash rate. We're currently about 267. This is something that Charlie did touch on at the Litecoin Summit. During my short time in cryptocurrency, I've noticed that the Litecoin community is very strong. The Litecoin Foundation is working behind the scenes. Volunteers like John Kim77 traveling the country and pushing for adoption. And it seems like every couple of weeks or a month, there's another announcement about some other platform that has adopted Litecoin. I recently made a video about Lite.IM, which is an SMS service that allows you to send and receive Litecoin. It's still in development, but it currently works on Telegram. I've used it and it's great. I will leave a link to that video below if you want to check it. Until next time, thanks for watching. Feel free to come back for more frugal finance advice. Peace.